Hello guys, let's make native ogbono soup. Now, this is not your regular kind of ogbono soup. This one na native ogbono soup. So I just thought of making ogbono in a different way. It's been long I really ate this pattern and I was like, make I just change my mouth small now. Then I thought of cooking this my banging ogbono soup, which I made with two special ingredients, which you're about to see. Just stay tuned, relax and watch. Una go see the ingredients and una go confirm am. So I was washing my meat. I've washed my meat. I'm washing my pomo. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. I beg, no go break banko to cook this soup. Anyone where you get, my sister, my brother, turn on like that, and you can see say your food goes sweet. So I put in my meat, my washed pomo, added my onions. This is my pepper, my seasoning cubes, and off we go. I set it on fire. Now this is my crayfish. As usual, my check, they worry me. Oh, mommy, I want to help you and grind. Now, as I give am a grind, as you guys can see, he really did a good job. Look at him grinding and all that. Then I collected it from him and I promised him that next time he was going to grind it for me. Now this is my number one special ingredients, which is my aiding fruit too. Aiding fruit, yes. And before you come for me, please, it's not a taboo to use aiding fruit to cook your bono soup. I beg. So I added in my aiding fruit. As you can see in the other side, I have oziza seed and my okpei. I put it in the mortar. Here I'm washing my stockfish to put it inside my soup. As you can see, my aiding fruit. Yes, that is my aiding fruit. And please, before you judge me, I beg, first try this method. Then this is my oziza seed. This is my okpei, grinded, like pounded it together. Now this is my vegetable. I was selecting it with my children. As we were selecting the vegetable, we were gisting. See my first visa there. My first visa no well. Like literally, this boy has like been siphoning my pocket. He has been siphoning from my pocket. Mommy, I want to drink Locozed boost. Mommy, I want to eat this. Mommy, I want to eat that. And we just did do, provided say go well. So after everything, I washed my fish. This is me adding my fish to my soup, to my pot of soup. I added my crayfish, a little bit of crayfish with the okpei and uziza seed. And this is me putting in my crayfish to my ogbono. If you want your ogbono to dissolve very well, this is how I do mine. And trust me, it comes out perfectly well without the ogbono having lumps in the soup. Then I added my ogbono, stirred it a bit, allowed it, and guys, now this soup is bubbling like this ogbono and I really buy yourself ogbono. See as they draw. See soup now. The soup just a draw. I added in my vegetable. When I added it, I added in my periwinkle, stirred my soup, and this is it. Our soup is ready. Guys, please, before you come for me and say I don't know how to cook, this soup must not taste well. I beg, make una shop am and give me your feedback in the comment section. Please, guys, thank you for watching to this point. I love you. Like, share, and subscribe.